We're making fricassee today. We need
Yeast.
yeast. We need olive oil. We need salt. We need
Sugar.
sugar.
And what else do we need?
Water.
And this guy here?
Egg.
1 egg.
1 egg.
We need to start by mixing the sugar. Oops. Just the sugar. And some water. Yeast, sugar and water. Look, it's gonna start to raise. This is warm water. We're gonna mix them together. And then we need to cover it and let it sit until for 5 minutes. And then we will use it in our dough, okay?
Okay.
Now we're gonna mix the salt and the flour. Can you put the salt in the flour? Oops, watch out, watch out. Thank you. So the yeast have risen and Milk is gonna dump it in the middle with the olive oils, eggs, and we're gonna start mixing the dough. Okay, you dump it now. Be careful. You need the hand.
Yeah.
Now the dough is mixed. We're gonna let it sit for about an hour. Okay, this is the dough once it's raised. So now I'm gonna cut it in small pieces. I was able to get 14 pieces out of 4 cups of flours. I'm getting we're getting the oil heated so we can fry our fricassees. I'll show you the first one. Those are almost done. And those are my fricassees ready.